Hello and welcome to the channel. Then my name is Gage Van Riper, and this is, I guess, another farm vlog. Nothing special. But in between last vlog and this vlog, you should have seen a lettuce planting video upload. If not, that means I was really lazy and didn't do the editing, and well, because I was behind on the last vlog. I was supposed to have that one out Saturday night so I could edit the lettuce video on Sunday, but that didn't happen. Ended up editing the vlog on Sunday, and today's Monday, and I have to do some work because I am quite frankly behind schedule, to say the least. So you can see behind me, we actually got our desk up, my desk up over the weekend. It looked pretty nice. I am going to pop a hole there in the back, pretty decent sized one, probably inch or two in diameter, to run to electricity from that plug there in the back. So the plug's just gonna go up, and I'm gonna have a little power strip along there, and I'm gonna get my printer probably set up over here along with my desktop and my monitor, keyboard, mouse, that sort of thing. And then over there I can have room for packing supplies and all that sort of stuff. So we got a little bit cleaned up in here, not much. I still gotta take out the silver ladder, put some stuff away over in the shop. I gotta put that buddy heater away and a hammer, and then basically sweep it out, and this thing is good. I'm gonna keep this in here though, because I will have to put a light up across here, and I will need the ladder to do that. But for the shed, we're looking pretty good. Over here by our lettuce, well, in our lettuce is opening right up. The leaves are open and wide and looking fabulous. Hopefully they will start growing some more. The back half is looking a little leggy, so I am going to pull this tray forwards a bit. There we go. And just to keep the light even. But you can see it's looking very good. So that's the shed. We got another project going on outside. What is all this lumber doing out here? That's right, guys. We're building another raised bed today because I have to get my first bed of carrots planted today. And also, the soil in this bed thawed out over the weekend, and we're going to plant our potatoes today. So we're going to plant our carrots and potatoes today, and hopefully that'll be, that's most of the stuff we have to do today. And then I move inside this afternoon and keep working on my food warehouse area. I'm gonna put this on a time lapse and show you guys how I build my bed. Alright, so there she is. This board is warped a bit, the bottom one is, but hopefully once we get soil in there and it settles after a while, it'll push that board out. A little bit of a gap over there, but that's not a big deal. Mulch will cover it up when we mulch. So yeah, here it is. So I'm gonna fill it up off camera because I gotta go out back and use the backhoe and stuff like that. So I'm gonna fill it up. I'm gonna do half, bottom half compost, and then the upper half the dirt that we have out back. There she is. She's full. It took me about an hour and a half to fill it, and then I ran the rototiller over it once, and it actually started right up, and then I raked it so it's fairly smooth. I have the seed plate here that I think will work. It says carrots, so hopefully that means it'll work. But anyway, I'm gonna experiment with a couple of them. This one may do it, and I don't know, it looks like it's the one I modified for the salad mix, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna put this on a time lapse too, because it's probably gonna take a little while. All right, there it is. Carrots are planted. I forgot how many rows are in there. I didn't even count though, so I guess it's not a big deal then. Covered it with the silage tarp that was on this bed behind us that we're planting the potatoes, except white side up. That'll help heat it. Well, I don't think it heats it. Anyway, it's a trick I learned from down in Steadfast Farm to cover. That tarp will be on there for about a week. So next Monday we'll take it off, and hopefully we'll see some carrots under there. That'll be very nice. Anyway, now we are moving on to planting potatoes in this bed. I'm thinking 2 hills centered, but I'm not sure. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know if I have enough seed potatoes either, so I may end up having to go and buy some more just from the local place down here to finish it up, but we'll see. I have 4 pounds, I believe, of seed potatoes, so hopefully we'll be able to do the whole bed with the 4 pounds. If we have some and that is the potatoes planted. So I planted them, I just put them right below the surface, and then I sort of hilled them. So they're probably 2 to 3 inches in the ground. And so yeah, hopefully they do good. We won't see these for probably 2 weeks until they start poking out of the ground. And I had 4 left, and so I planted them over here, just a little row right here. So we got a few potatoes. This bed, that bed broke down so much more with that tarp on it than this one did. These roots, I can't get any of the corn stubble to move. So, I mean, those were some big stalks of corn. So maybe like these ones a little bit better, but not a huge difference. So plastic so far has been the way to go. What's up, everybody? It's Tuesday. I've been here since 9 o'clock this morning working. It is 6 o'clock now. I'm gonna show you guys what we've done in the milk house first of all, because we've been working in here where my freezer is gonna be going. There it is. We got the framing up. We got the door pretty much in. We got these kind of kickboards on both sides. Toe kicks, I guess you could call them. We have to take the hammer drill and drill a hole on both sides here and put cement screws down in, because these walls are kind of moving a little bit as we're working. So we're gonna do that, and then we just have a few wiring to pull through the attic, and then we have to drop a plug down in here, which will be super easy, and seal the cement, and then put the plywood up, and we're basically done in there. I guess I am going to paint the walls too. Hey kitty. So that's the room that my freezer is going in. My apple tree came last night, and so we got it here today, and I planted it, and it's officially growing now. It is a Gala apple tree. They're very good. there it is. Don't know if you can see it, but it's this little stick sticking out of the ground. That's basically the apple tree. I really thought there'd be more to that than just that little thing, but anyway, on to the shed where I've got all of my, should you say it, bookkeeping stuff, other things like that, but I'm keeping the camera over so that you guys can, oh come on, this is usually super easy. You guys probably just saw it, didn't you? There we go. We have lettuce. Look at that. It's getting better by the day. But that's not what we're here for. There it is. I'm going to replace this printer because it worked with my laptop, but for some reason it's not working with this computer. So we got one in the office we're going to try and hook up. And so yeah, we got my computer and everything moved in here. This is going to be my spreadsheet and my accounting computer, because my accounting software is online. So the internet people are coming out tomorrow to install a receiver on top of the shed and stuff like that. Hello everybody, it's Wednesday. It's the last day of this vlog. This vlog's flown by and we are in the greenhouse. I don't know if you can hear it, but there is chirping going on behind me. So we got our chick brooder set up and I got my fencing gone along the front here, and it's fastened to the door, and then it's fastened down at the bottom and staked and buried. So if we look in here, see, it's heating up quite a bit down in here. Oh, that guy fell. That's weird, that guy was alright before. You alright there, pal? We'll see. I didn't lose any in shipping, so there could be a couple that's got some minor injuries that could end up turning bad. So we'll see. He doesn't look too good though. So let's see down in here. Look at them, huddling down in there. It's getting nice and warm in there. Yeah, I don't know if he's gonna make it. We'll put him over in the heat though, so that he doesn't. So that he'll be all right. He might have got trampled by the other guys, but they're all drinking their water now. They got food. Yeah, looking good. That's interesting. That antenna wasn't there before. Oh, I forgot. I locked it. Anyway, we got internet now in the shed. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. And that's the cord running over there to the heat lamp. So yeah, it's running through the window, and there's a towel so that we're not losing any heat in there. Anyway, that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, if you notice the new video schedule, it allows me to do a bonus video and upload it every Sunday. So tell me what you guys want to see. Whether it's a walk around of different equipment or anything, let me know and I'll record it and publish it on Sunday, and you guys will see it as a bonus video.